Connecting your Sync smart devices to Alexa enables convenient voice control of your lights, switches, and other smart home devices. This guide will walk you through the complete setup process. First, install your Sync devices such as smart bulbs or switches. Download the Sync app and connect your devices to your Wi-Fi network. Make sure all devices appear properly in the Sync app before proceeding. Next, open the Amazon Alexa app on your smartphone. Tap the menu icon, typically 3 horizontal lines, and select Skills and Games from the menu options. In the Skills and Games section, search for Sync. You'll find the Sync Smart Home skill in the results. Tap Enable to Use to activate the skill for your Alexa account. After enabling the skill, you'll be prompted to link your Sync account to Alexa. Enter your Sync username and password to establish the connection between your accounts. Now initiate device discovery. You can either tap Discover Devices in the Alexa app or simply say, Alexa, discover devices. The discovery process typically takes 30 seconds or less to find all your Sync devices. Congratulations! Your Sync devices are now connected to Alexa. You can control them with voice commands like Alexa, turn on the living room lights, or Alexa, dim the bedroom light to 50%. For best results, use clear, simple names for your devices and consider grouping them by room. When Alexa isn't discovering your Sync devices, follow this systematic troubleshooting approach to resolve connection issues quickly and effectively. Sync devices require a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection. Ensure both your Sync devices and Alexa device are connected to the same 2.4 GHz network, as 5 GHz networks are not compatible. If devices aren't appearing automatically, use the voice command Alexa, discover devices to force a manual search. The discovery process typically takes about 30 seconds to complete. For GE smart appliances, use the Smart HQ skill instead of the Sync skill. Enable Smart HQ in your Alexa app and link your Smart HQ account to control ovens, dishwashers, and other GE appliances with voice commands. Sync smart switches are designed to work without a neutral wire, making them ideal for older homes where neutral wires may not be available in switch boxes. This simplifies installation significantly. The Matter standard promises to revolutionize smart home connectivity by providing universal compatibility between devices and platforms. This will significantly simplify setup processes and reduce the troubleshooting steps we've discussed today. Remember, most Sync and Alexa connection issues can be resolved by power cycling your devices, ensuring proper Wi-Fi connectivity, and using the Discover Devices command. These troubleshooting steps will help you maintain seamless smart home integration.